Okay. So the lastly, it's important to mention that outliers are very important. We talked a lot about this in our univariate classes. They affect correlation, not in the exact same way, but they do have a very large impact on our correlations as well. And they can be either positive or negative. It's not just going to skew the result. It could make the result look a lot better. We really want to pay a lot of attention to them so that we understand if they're hurting, if they're helping, and then really what we need to do with that, right? Because we really want to understand that relationship as true as possible. If the outlier is really making our relationship look better, then we don't know. So I kind of like this tower of the leaning Pisa where the outlier guy is pulling the tower the other way, right? So you make it look like the tower is straight, right? It's perfectly straight tower. As we all know, the leaning tower of Pisa is not straight, right? So he's kind of skewing that relationship. And the same thing here is that we don't want we want to really understand the trueness of a relationship, the reality of the way it is, not how we hope that it is, I guess you would say. And so to understand the true, accurate relationship, we want to understand our outliers and how they could potentially be affecting our bivariate relationship.